This is where it gets exciting with some of those newer updates that just dropped in that grand update. The first of which is Timecode. The timecode feature should make it a lot easier to use Rokoko motion capture with other types of mocap. You can see in the video that Reallusion put out that they have Rokoko smart gloves working with an XN system, and the fact that you can do this all natively within Reallusion means that you can get these two tools to play together very nicely, which is great. We want our smart gloves to be used with any system that they can be, right? And so this is a really great way to use multiple mocap systems together. The new timecode feature means that you can do all of this automatically, assuming that you set up timecode in your audio recording or in your footage recording, but you can combine everything into the timeline and it will do that syncing for you. When it comes to editing, there is now a motion trail editor in iClone8, and that makes it easier to do editing when you're affecting the translation of the entire character, because you can see that feedback right on screen in the graph when you're doing your editing. Another really exciting part of this update were some of the new filters that were added, including things like peak removal, but also Butterworth smoothing. So Butterworth smoothing is a process by which you are smoothing out all of the, sometimes quite jagged peaks you get in your keyframes, in your motion capture keyframes in your graphs. Butterworth will smooth out all those peaks, and it will give you a result that can feel a little bit more premium, a little bit more AAA. The last thing I'll mention is that they have made some new improvements to non-destructive editing in the timeline. And that's always great because you want to make sure that you're always able to go back to your original motion capture if you're doing work and you haven't affected all the keyframes, right? All of your editing is being done on top of that original, and you're preserving all of that original motion capture, non-destructive editing, right?